The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Taliaferro County in east central Georgia, southwestern Wilkes County in east central Georgia, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Washington and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage suspected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Washington, Ficklin, Lineville, Raytown, Lundberg, and Sandy Cross. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-673-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 6 p.m.